Hello, Miss Ma'am. Yeah, you. Nobody tells you this part of healing. It gets quiet. Fewer texts, fewer bold approaches, fewer distractions. And if you don't understand what's happening, you'll think you did something wrong, right? But quiet doesn't mean forgotten, it means filtered. God often removes noise before he brings alignment. Healing slows things down so discernment can catch up. So if your phone is dry, but your peace is full, that's not loss. That's protection. Remember, healing is holy. God bless.